Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing about an ostrich. An ostrich is a large flightless bird native to Africa. It is the largest living bird and belongs to the ratite group, which also includes emus, rheas, kiwis, and cassowaries. Ostriches are well known for their distinctive appearance and notable features. Adult males, known as cocks, can reach a height of 8 to 9 feet and weigh between 220 to 290 pounds, that is 100 to 130 kilograms. Females, also known as hens, are generally smaller. Ostriches have distinctive, long, and fluffy feathers that are usually black and white. These feathers help regulate the bird's body temperature and are often used in decorative items, such as boas and hats. Unlike most birds, ostriches are flightless. Instead of relying on flight for mobility, they are well adapted for running at high speeds. Their strong, muscular legs are capable of reaching speeds up to 45 miles per hour. They have long, powerful legs with 2 toes on each foot. The inner toe has a sharp claw, which is used for defense and for digging in the ground to create nests. They have large, expressive eyes. With long eyelashes, these eyes provide excellent vision to help them detect predators from a distance. Generally, male ostriches are larger than females. In many cases, male ostriches have more prominent black and white plumage compared to females. The feathers of males are often more striking, and they may have more black on their wings and tail. Male ostriches typically have more luxurious and decorative feathers, especially during the breeding season. These feathers are used in courtship displays to attract females. The females, on the other hand, may show less flamboyant behavior during this time. Male and female ostriches may have slightly different vocalizations. Males might produce deeper and more resonant sounds, especially during displays and mating rituals. Ostriches have a relatively long lifespan. Compared to many other bird species, their lifespan is typically around 30 to 40 years. Female ostriches reach sexual maturity around 2 to 3 years of age, while males may take a bit longer, usually between 3 to 4 years. Ostriches are omnivores and feed on a varied diet. That includes plants, seeds, insects, and small vertebrates. They are known to swallow small stones to aid in the digestion of tough plant material. Ostriches are social birds that often live in groups called flocks. The flocks are typically led by a dominant male, and the group may include several females and their offspring. Female ostriches lay the largest eggs of any bird. The eggs are usually laid in a communal nest, and both males and females take turns incubating them. Ostrich eggs are thick-shelled and can be up to 15 centimeters in diameter. The incubation period for ostrich eggs is approximately 35 to 45 days. The duration can vary based on factors such as temperature and humidity during incubation. The process involves the parents sitting on the eggs to keep them warm until they hatch. Lengthy incubation period is necessary for the development of the large and complex embryos inside the eggs. Once the incubation period is complete, the chicks hatch, and they are usually well developed and capable of standing and moving shortly after emerging from the egg. Sometimes ostriches may eat their own eggs due to various factors like stress, nutritional deficiency, health issues, inadequate nesting conditions, and lack of experience. On average, a female ostrich may lay about 10 to 15 eggs in a single clutch during the breeding season. However, the number can be influenced by factors such as the age and health of the female, environmental conditions, and the availability of resources. Ostriches are considered to be quite intelligent birds. They have large brains in relation to their body size, and they are capable of learning and problem-solving. The ostrich has the largest eye of any land animal, and the eye measures about 5 centimeters across. They can see a moving object about the size of a big dog as far as 3 kilometers away during daytime and 50 meters at night. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share.